MRecktv.
Welcome to Gold Bars and Platinum Hooks, the Racksons, DB Racks, Richie Racks, Scales on the beat. This is Gold Bars and Platinum Hooks, GBs and PHs. It's just gonna be more thoughts and more BITCHs. When they see us, they anxious to take a flick for the gram. Snapchat, all in the backstages. Nah, I can't fuck with you, you be long on back pages. But anyhow, I used to move snow like a Hemi plow. Now I'm like the Shaolin Abbott, massive mini styles. I'm spitting shit, got to get this phlegm up out of me. I don't bang blood, but got a master's in phlebotomy. I like Hondas, but this is way past the Odyssey. Been fucked up before, trust me, I know how the bottom be. If I bust at you, I'm aiming at your top piece. But if you don't stop this violence, then the killings would not cease. It's evident. Homicide, Hartford resident. If I gang bang, then my rank will be president. I'm in the legacy, trust funds for my sons. So they don't be where the beggars be. Hereditarily leave a bag like Rockefeller sees. See, on a level that's generational, educational. Thugs like the Nigerian nation do. Sensational, I do this shit with ease. I'd rather smoke my peas on vacation in Belize. Tropical breeze, mojitos with mint leaves. Puffin' Monte Cristo, politicking with Klitschko. He bear arms, assault rifles and tank missiles. Russian Mob Don got me soup like wonton. Dope boy Magic Bishop, Don Juan, dark skin, wealthy and melanin. They done fucked up and let the smart felons in. Nowadays all these artists talking about look alive. That's why we contrive this art form that kinda died. This is mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Uplift the hip-hop nation without hesitation. Let's go.
Yeah, Fuego. Finna come in hot on this one. Scales, you went crazy on this flea.
It's my boy, Jamal called me. Saved my life when I had that accident. He was the only one that seen it, helped me get out of the car, helped me walk to get to where I had to get to. So I bought my boy a car. Cause you know, he was walking to work. He was walking to work when he saved my life. God good. God is good. God is good. God is good. God is good all the time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got my boy a new car. He was walking to work when he saved my life.
It's crummy beats, y'all.
Peace, world. To promote your music or promote your business by placing an ad on MRecktv, contact MRecktVpromo, MRecktVpromo @gmail.com. Peace.
Switch things to the opposite way. It's the Mac that the strippers and the groupies pay. Yeah, bands make her dance, you can't juice this J.
We bout to terrorize the rap game.
Fuck it right and give it back pain. Ever since a kid, it stayed focused, barely hung out. Pops went to jail, Mom Dukes got strung out. Like Jordan with the tongue out, determined to win.
And got the best product out, and you killing the strip. I taught the money gymnastics, I'm making it flip. Hit the block hard, yes, early morning on the wake up. Betty Crocker cook skills, help me get my cake up.
Cussies coming left and right, it feels like the first. The money is a gift, but them bills is a curse. I'm a overachiever, not a superstition believer. I'm good everywhere, like credit from a visa. The rotten apple, you could get shot in your Adam's apple. Giving God praise, leaving out the tabernacle.
Lemon squeeze, trigger 45. I feel like Kevin Costner, bodyguard, holding down Whitney. That paperwork got his name on it. The snitch niggas in everything.
Oh yeah, subscribe to MRecktv, youtube.com/MRecktv. I'm gone. MRecktv.
Let's cut the music.